How to make insect repellent soothe bites with eucalyptus oil. Mosquito, flea, tick. Eucalyptus oil is a natural insect repellent. Is one of the best things I have found to soothe the itching of an insect bites. Will repel mosquito, flea, tick, most biting insects. Things you will need: eucalyptus oil, water, small spray bottle water. Eucalyptus oil can be purchased at most health food stores. It comes in tiny little 1-ounce bottles. I have seen it in large 1-gallon bottles. For personal use, I would buy a medium-size bottle. Unless you plan on making a lot of repellent for a large family. Insect repellent. Get a clean spray bottle at any discount store. Fill it 3/4 of the way up with warm water. Add 1/4 eucalyptus oil. Shake well. Spray it on just like you would any insect repellent. Cover all exposed areas. Rub it in to make sure you get good coverage. Give your cloths a good spray also. Mosquito either don't like the smell or they can't smell you, so they just are not attracted to you with the eucalyptus oil mixture on you. Eucalyptus oil smell a lot better than most store-bought repellents. Spray it on your dog or cat. It keeps the fleas away. It makes your dog smell better. Insect bites. Use the eucalyptus oil straight out of the bottle. Apply a small amount to your finger. Rub it gentle on the bite or affected area. It is the only thing I use now. It works great for me. Tips. Warnings. Eucalyptus oil also works great on a vaporize to treat congestion during a cold. Rub it on to relieve sore muscles. As a dog wash it, keep fleas, ticks away. Hot tub spas. A few tablespoons, it'll give off a relaxing aroma. Eucalyptus oil is a natural antiseptic agent to help keep you water safe.